They changed this. What the hell? Oh, okay. You know what it is? This was a part that we always hit before. This was the part we just hit. I didn't realize it was part of Dominion. Okay. This is the part we just came from. That's why that was confusing. What the hell is it? It's, where's Dominion? Over there? To the left, I think, right? I don't remember. It's not over here, then it's up there. So now what they did, they changed the entry, so now that part that I thought was Deviant was actually Dominion. Yeah, okay. So they changed the entry point, so what the hell? I'm always scared of this thing.
Holy shit.
Do it, do it. Cool. Alright, stop here. Yeah, just go. It's that, you know, it's that,
Yep.
down there. Hold on.